What up, it's your boy Bobby for Bang for Your Bucks, and today we're here with an interesting one. This one's a Soundbot SB1011, the SB1011. This is a alarm clock with some tricks. It got an FM radio, alarm clock, built-in mic, LED, Bluetooth speaker, thermometer, built-in audio port, and a charging port. Let's get into it. Alright, before we open the box, let's take a look around it. Comes with your user manual, wall charger. This one's crazy packed with features. It has a Bluetooth speaker, it's an alarm clock, tells the weather. Alright, let's break it open. Alright, so looking in the box, you have your power supply, you have your audio jack, your manual, nothing else in the box. Okay, let's move this aside. Alright, you got your standard power supply. Alright, here it is. This one's crazy interesting still. This one's different. This one's an alarm clock, right? Regular standard alarm clock you'd see on your right beside your bed, but this one lights up. It shows through the wood. Let me set this up and I'll be right back. Alright, taking a look around the unit. On the back you have your 5-volt 2-amp power slot. This is for you to charge your phones. You can change if it's 24 hours or regular time. You have your modes button, your temperature, Fahrenheit or Celsius, and your alarm button, and your auxiliary in. On the front, you see what I mean? The time shows like through the wood. It's kind of crazy. It's just a nice, looks nice, you know? On the top, you have your capacitive buttons. Am I saying that right? It's like your touch buttons, you know? Your snooze button also controls the brightness. There's two different brightnesses. I'm not sure if it's 88 in here. Let's test it out. Let's pair it up and see how the speaker sounds. Okay, there it goes. The SB1011. Alright. Couldn't pair with the SB1011 because of incorrect pin. Do I have to take it to the book?
A few moments later.
Okay, looks like it's connecting. Okay, there you go. It's connected up. Alright, let's check out the Bluetooth speaker. Sounds nice, it got some bass to it. Alright. The Bluetooth speaker sounds alright in it. Has some bass to it. But it's not meant to be a Bluetooth speaker. This is an alarm clock. You could answer phone calls with this. But right now it's currently like 1 o'clock in the morning. I have no one to call. On the review, I'll really go through this and go through everything. That's a Soundbot. What is this? The Soundbot SB1011 wooden texture alarm clock. If you need to find out where to get this, I'll leave everything in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you found this unboxing useful, hit the like button. It'll help me a lot. Check the review if you want to see the full features. It's your boy Bobby, and I'm out.